is Aiden Chero.
What sub-teams are you on?
I am on the fundraising team and media.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 9th grade.
And what high school do you attend?
I go to Port Huron Northern.
And how many years have you been in robotics?
This is my first year in this program, but in 8th grade I did the first program and I got 2nd place.
Nice. What is one of your favorite memories from robotics?
One of my favorite memories, I mean there's not a lot because I just started this one, but I mean I don't really know. Let's go with when Coach Darwin looked like a zombie in Slay.
What do you like to do outside of robotics?
I like to play video games. And I also like to ride my bike.
What video games do you play?
I play Valorant, sometimes maybe Fortnite, Roblox, Minecraft.
Alright, tell me one fun fact about yourself.
One fun fact about myself is I have a 3.95 GPA and I take AP Computer Science.
Nice. Alright, thank you for your time.
Yep. What's your name?
My name is Miles Brown, and I'm in 10th grade.
What sub-teams are you on?
I'm on build.
What do you like doing? Like, why'd you choose build?
Well, since this is my 2nd year on the team, I did it last year, and I enjoyed it last year, so I decided to do it again.
What inspired you to start, build the first time?
Originally, I decided to do build because I wanted to build the robot, and I wanted to, just be able to do more hands-on stuff.
Right. What school do you attend?
I attend Port Huron High School.
Nice. How many years have you been in?
This is my 2nd year on the team.
Okay. What is one of your favorite robotics memories?
My favorite memory for robotics is competitions and just going to them in general because they're really fun to go to.
Do you have a certain memory at one of the competitions?
I feel like getting to be able to be on an alliance or being the captain of an alliance was probably my favorite memory because it was the furthest we've gotten it.
You were a captain before?
I wasn't a captain, but the team got to be a captain.
Nice. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is collecting a lot of things, cooking, and a little bit of video games.
What is one of your favorite things to cook?
I like cooking steak and burgers and stuff like that.
What music genre do you like?
I like metal music.
Nice. I think that's it. No nicknames, just full name.
Mauricio Perez.
What school do you go to?
Port Huron Northern High School.
Okay. What grade are you in?
9th grade, freshman year.
Okay. What sub-teams are you on?
I'm currently on building, electrical, and programming.
Okay. How many years have you done robotics?
1.
Okay. And then, what is your favorite memory from robotics?
Seeing all my hard work, just being right there in the computer robot.
Okay. What do you like to do outside of robotics?
Usually, I like to do whatever I can find fun, like games, socialize with friends.
Okay. What kind of games do you play?
Red Dead.
Red Dead.
Silk Songs and stuff.
Okay. Do you do anything else in your free time? Anything else in your free time?
I try to see if I can practice some stuff, like fusion skills.
Right.
It's just a CAD program.
And then, give me one good fun fact about yourself.
I can speak Spanish pretty fluently, as in slang and formal stuff like that.
Say a sentence in Spanish.
Yo estoy diciendo palabras en español.
Cool. Okay. Thank you for your time. And that's a wrap.
Tyler,
What grade are you in?
9th,
What are you most excited for today?
winning,
Okay, I was about to ask you, do you think we're gonna win?
hopefully.
Oh, trust. Why is the flash on? What is your name?
Carter,
What grade are you in?
9th.
What are you most excited for?
Watching the whatever it is, the competition.
Okay. I'm plotting. Do you think we'll do good?
Yeah.
I like the positivity. What's your name?
Kanan,
What grade are you in?
9th.
Are you excited?
Yes.
What do you know like what you're doing or are you just observing?
Mostly observing.
Okay. What are you most excited for today?
I don't know.
Great answer. Oh,
Food.
great answer.